everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. In today's video, you guys, I am going to be budgeting my YouTube paycheck. This is the first paycheck that I've gotten since I have been managing my money again the correct way. So as I shared with you guys on my other video where I talked about how much money I've been paid from YouTube for 1 million views, if you haven't checked that out, make sure that you do. I talked about me taking breaks, and the last break that I did take, I was being paid from YouTube like once every other month. The reason for that is because in order to be paid out, you have to have made at least $100. I first want to say thank you so much to everybody who watches my videos, because you help me to get paid through YouTube. And it really does help out my channel. It helps me to build my brand here on YouTube, and we are doing this together, let me tell you, because every time you guys watch, you help me to be able to pay a past due bill current or pay off debt, you know, so we are really in this thing together. So the budget book that I'm going to be using today is the Elevated Life Co. And this budget book was created by two YouTubers. One, her name is Brittany, and the other one, her name is Taylor Budgets. They are here on YouTube. Well, Brittany, her name is let me see, I think it's the Crafty Budgeter. And you can definitely check their channels out. I'm sure you guys know who they are. This was the first edition budget book I believe that they did. I love it because it's undated, and so I've had it for a while. I like to complete my side hustle budgets in this budget book. So I'm gonna skip all the way over to July, because the paycheck that I did receive in June is gonna take care of whatever I have in July. So when you open it up here, it's undated, so I am gonna need to write the dates down in here, so that I can then go ahead and write the payday and all of my side hustle bills that I have, because I do have side hustle bills as a YouTuber. So let me get started with writing the dates down. I think I'm gonna write the dates down in purple. If you guys don't know yet, purple is my favorite color.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep.
So usually we are paid on anywhere between the 20th and the 21st. I am just gonna write payday on the 21st, and the only side hustle money that I'm getting right now is from YouTube. I do have an ebook which is called the Financial Refresh, and I also have a YouTube masterclass that I do sell, but I really don't market it. I don't know why, you guys. I don't know, but anyway, it's good. So they're linked down below if you want to check it out. The Financial Refresh ebook is for people who are looking to refresh their finances, and is basically what I'm doing now to start over. And then the YouTube masterclass, that is for people who want to be a YouTuber. All right, so I am going to jot down the bills that I do have. Probably need to have like something that shows all of my bills, like I have the bill tracker for my regular bills. I probably need to have something like that, but I'll figure it out. I have CapCut that I use CapCut to edit, and that is on the 21st of every month. I am thinking about using another editor. At first I was using iMovie, but iMovie has been really tripping lately, so I subscribe to CapCut, but I think I want to subscribe to another one. CapCut is okay, but I think I only like to use it for certain posts, but not like my YouTube videos. So I think I'm going to take that out, but I do have it as of right now. And then I do pay Epidemic Sound, and that is paid on the 15th of every month. I'm sorry, the 17th of every month. And with Epidemic Sound, this is royalty-free music that I'm able to use on my videos, and I won't get a strike from YouTube. This is $15 a month. And then I pay for Linktree, which is taken out on the 9th of every single month. And Linktree, I use that so that I can add my links and everything. Makes it better, and that's $9 a month. And then Canva, the OG Canva, is paid on the 30th of every month. I really like Canva, you guys. Canva is I love Canva. And this is $12.95. And then TubeBuddy is paid on the 24th of every month. I cannot live without TubeBuddy. I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. And that's $19.59 a month. It takes a lot of the work out for me when it comes to hashtags and everything for YouTube. And I just love it. So all of the additional apps that I do have to help me with my YouTube videos and whatever else that I do, I really need all of them. I've looked at all of them and I'm like, okay, could I do without any of these? And there really isn't any that I can do without. I know that Canva does have a free version, but I sort of am a content creator, I guess you can say. And I use it for more than just my stuff. I also use it for my church stuff also. And I just like to be creative in that way. So I definitely am getting my money's worth from Canva and TubeBuddy and Epidemic Sound and all that. I know that I can go search for free music, and you guys, I've done all of this before. You know, like I've been a YouTuber for a while and I just find it valuable. So I'm just gonna leave what I have now. The only additional things that I probably will be adding is a PO box. I do need a PO box that you know, people can send me stuff. And then yeah, that'll probably be the only thing that I'll be adding. But anyway, let's go over to the budget. So here there's a monthly budget page. This is for you to budget out your entire month. And then I believe there are Paycheck budgets here that you can use. So really I can use either one of them because I'm only paid once a month from YouTube. And then they have a Paycheck denomination page here. And then here you can write down like any kind of like lifestyle to-dos that you have. So it's like mixing your lifestyle and your pay together, I believe it is. And this is where you do your weekly check-ins on this page. They have a couple of these for July. These are all the same. And then one thing that I really do like about this budget book is where you can do a sinking funds update. So they have a page that is dedicated to sinking funds, and you can check on your sinking funds every single month. And then they also have a debt update page as well that's specific to debt. So one thing in the other binder in my other budget book that I do not have is the sinking funds update. I don't think I have that. Income, I am happy to report that I do have a separate account that is my side hustle account, and any side hustle money that I do receive goes into this account, and it takes care of all of my side hustle bills. So it's a totally separate account, and I have total in there $463.81. $463.81. My YouTube paycheck was a total of $452.69. I was paid from YouTube $452.69, but then I was also paid, I did sell an ebook, and that was like $12 that was deposited into my account. So total with all of that is $463.81 total. That's the balance in the account. So shout out to whoever bought an ebook from me. I don't know if that person was from here on YouTube or Instagram, but if you are watching, thank you so much. And then here they have an area for fixed expenses and then for variable expenses. I'm just gonna put everything on the fixed expenses side, which is basically the bills that I have. Okay, so the first thing, I am 100% will be giving my tithes, and I'm going to be paying a total of $46 for tithes. And that $46 is 10% of the sale of the ebook and my YouTube money. I'm just gonna write the date on the side here. So we know that this is due on the 5th of every month. And then next is going to be Epidemic Sound. And with Epidemic Sound, this is $15. And this is due on the 17th of every month. And then next is CapCut. I'm almost positive that I'm gonna cancel this. And then this is gonna be on the 21st. TubeBuddy is $19.59. And this is due on the 24th of every month. Canva, my BFF. And Canva is $12.95. And this is on the 30th of every month. So make sure I have all of them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so I have 5 side hustle bills that I do pay. So now I am going to total all of this up.
So we got 46 plus 9 plus 15 plus 5.99 plus 19.59 plus 12.95.
108.53. That is the total here. And so we take 463.81 and then we subtract 108.53. So that's 355.28 here. This is for debt and savings. So that's where we're gonna put this. So remaining is 355.28. Super excited to put down here HOA. If you guys didn't know, you should have knew. I am definitely paying the HOA off. Woo-hoo-hoo. Get some praise hands, clapping hands, some excitement in the comments. HOA, let me check. I believe that the HOA, the last of it was it 150, you guys? 159. It was 111. Hold on, I'm looking for it, you guys. Where is it? I know I have it. So this is trash HOA. That's the total HOA. All these sticky notes that I be having, and now when I finally need it, I can't find it. Okay, so 150.86 is what's left. So HOA budgeted 150.86. Super excited about that. And then for my bill account buffer, I'm gonna take some money out of that, and then that is going to be $100 that I'm gonna take out there. And then what is left will be for my side hustle account buffer. So we're at 355.28, and then we're gonna subtract 150.86, and then we're gonna subtract 100, and that gives us 104.42. Guess I should have did the total here. 150.86 plus 100, 250.86. Remaining 104.42 will be the side hustle buffer, and I will start that buffer. But I'm gonna transfer $100 over to my bill account so I can add to the buffer so we can start getting that buffer done. And then HOA 150.86. As I'm doing this, what I might do is, instead of having that buffer, I might take that $100 and honestly put it on my electric bill to pay that down. I'm thinking, you guys, I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. yeah, instead of this being a bill account buffer, I'm gonna take this $100 and this is actually going to go against, because I want to get that paid. And before I have, you know, start building buffers and all of that, I want to pay that off. And that was a goal of mine. So I am going to get the white out. And this is that $100 is actually going to go toward paying off the electric installment. And who knows, I might even take some money from this buffer and pay the whole thing, which I think is like $150, $160, something like that. We'll see. But as of right now, I'm just gonna put $100 towards it. That is pretty much it for our side hustle budget. Like I said, once again, thank you guys so much for your support. I'm super excited about July's paycheck. I can't wait to share it with you guys. I mean, we're not done with July yet, but what I have made so far, yeah. If you are not on YouTube, you should probably get on YouTube. But that is it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On trial, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all